It's another weekly reset / panic clean today. Let's get those timers ready because apparently being timed motivates me the same way it does a 5-year-old. We'll start with the crappiest task of the day, which is 15 minutes of cleaning bathrooms. Always clip off the toilet seat and clean under cause ew. Alright, that's better. I wore gloves, but I'm still gonna wash my hands because I love this soap dispenser. Next 15 minutes is for picking up and putting away so that we have clear surfaces for the next few steps. Let's get this food off the floor and put it into their snack bins. We gotta get my kids' artwork off the ground and file it away properly. And once you complete the panic pickup, we move to the wipe down. Now, do I get every surface in my home wiped down in 15 minutes? No. But with the time crunch, it certainly motivates me not to dink around, and doing this weekly, nothing gets too out of control. I also wipe down mirrors at this time too, and it goes fast with my favorite window and mirror cleaning hack. Running low on time, so let's do a little magic, and then with all the crap that I just wiped onto the floor, let's vacuum. And someone unplugged my RoboVac. I usually tag team with my little baby shark to save time, but I gotta do all the cleaning manually today, so I did run over my 15 minutes here. And then for mopping, add a teaspoon of laundry detergent to the mix. It smells great and picks up and clears grime fast, and this is the 15-minute arm and shoulder workout of the day. And Asians represent. I don't allow shoes in my home, so the water's not too grimy. Then the last task is trash, and things are getting a little stinky, so I replaced my essential oil cotton rounds on the bottom of the trash bins to keep things fresh. Light a candle, as it is the official sign of all moms that no one better mess with this house now, and relax. Like and follow for more.
I'm a psychologist, and here's the top 5 things that someone with depression wants you to know. Number 5, depression is not a choice, and they can't just snap out of it. Number 4, when they take days to answer a text or keep cancelling plans at the last minute, it's nothing you did wrong. Their conflict is not with you, it's with themselves. And number 3, the reasons for depression can't always be seen, but not knowing the reason does not make that depression any less valid. Number 2, you might think that person is not trying hard enough, but that's because when you're depressed, even the simplest of tasks can feel like a mountain to climb. And number 1, they're still the same person, but they're going through hell right now, and they may need you more than ever.